like a puzzle, signals that just go on this small piece of plastic and magic happens. Welcome to the world of electronics, a world that has brought the world to us. Electronics is everywhere. The fact that you can see this film is also the magic of electronics. From television to missiles, from the most simple to the most complex use of equipment, somewhere there would be a small electronic circuit that would be receiving, controlling, converting and transmitting various signals into one cohesive working model. The electronic industry in India took off around 1965 with an orientation towards space and defense technologies. This was followed by development in consumer electronics, mainly with transistor radios, black and white TV, calculator and other audio products. Color television soon followed. In 1985 saw the advent of computers and telephone exchanges, which was succeeded by digital exchanges in 1988. Today, the electronics manufacturing industry in India is growing at a rapid pace, but it still needs to grow at a much faster pace due to the ever-growing demand for consumer electronics, IT and telecom goods. This demand is expected to grow to $400 billion by 2020. In case manufacturing in India does not keep pace with the demand, the country's import bill for electronics will exceed the import bill for crude oil. This has automatically created a huge demand for skilled electronic technicians in the country. An electronic technician is an engineer who knows the structure and working of a central IT-based and electronic devices. Assembly, troubleshooting and testing are some of the widely sought skills for this domain. Electronic technicians often work as design assistants in R&D laboratories and in maintenance duties in different industrial outfits. The need of the hour is to get people with not only the required degrees but also practical skills. And looking at the new global villages that have come about, these skills have to be of international standards.
There is hardly any mechanical area which is now devoid of electronics. Most of the new machines, new systems in mechanical engineering have a lot of electronics. Look at cars, look at machines, CNC machines. They all are so dependent on electronics that there is a pressing need for dedicated electronics engineers.
To give the Indian electronics engineering students a more global perspective in the field of electronics and also to expose them to the various development across the world in the field of electronics, the National Skills Development Corporation (NSDC) participated in the electronic skill for the World Skills 2013 held at Leipzig, Germany. Ably represented by Omkar Suvam, who had qualified to participate in World Skills after winning both the regional and the national competition, supported by his mentor Professor V. Kulkarni from MIT Pune. The World Skills competition is the flagship event of World Skills International, a membership organization made up of 65 countries and regions to promote skilling amongst the youth of the world. World Skills International is growing rapidly and its members now represent over 70% of the world population. In 2013, World Skills was held in the beautiful German town of Leipzig, where Team India participated in 22 skills, with skills ranging from cooking, confectionery, hair designing, beauty therapy, CNC milling, jewelry making, robotics, fashion, graphic designing, etc. For electronics contestants at the World Skills, the required skills are communication, numeracy, critical thinking, mathematics, computer science, analytical skills, creativity, the ability to work on a team and the ability to learn from a supervisor. In this skill, the competitors use basic electronics tools such as measurement devices and computers. The computer is used for the design of electronics and the programming of embedded systems. The competition's task is to build an individual electronic device or individual units belonging to it. The device or its part can also be a so-called prototype of a device to be mass-produced. Most devices are based on what is called embedded system technology. The most important area of evaluation are quality of work according to standard IPC 610E and problem-solving skills. During the competition, there are 4 different projects: Module 1, Hardware Design, Circuit and PCB Design of Prototype, Module 2 Embedded System Programming Module, Programming of Prototype Device. Module 3 Fault Finding, Repair and Measuring Module. Module 4 Assembly Module. At present, 75 to 80% of the electronics is imported and only about 20% is manufactured in India. To fulfill this internal demand, there is a huge scope of manufacturing within India. For Omkar, WorldSkills has put him on the world map, and today he is a serious contender for any spot in the electronic job circuit of India.